having tea and scones in the garden, and you can too. Guess what? This community garden is a salsa garden. What does that mean? We'll show you when we return.
Community Tire Pros doesn't just service cars in the community. They are actively working to improve the neighborhoods where their shops are located. So, Jamie, she's cooling off with a veggie fan or something. What's going on?
I don't know, Scotty. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I just gotta apologize for the amount of fun that I have on the clock right here at Community Tire Pros. Because, you know, these guys are our friends. We do so much for them, but have we ever been to their garden? The community is so important to the Fleischmans, and I want to introduce you to Patty Fleischmann. This is her pet project, her passion project here. Where are we, Patty?
We're at the Community Tire Salsa Garden down at Durango and Central, across from our corporate office at Community Tire Pros.
So tell me about what this was first, because I see very large tires. Obviously, you guys are a tire company.
You bet.
But what's growing in these tires?
Well, when we took over this property, this was a vacant lot of huge construction and mining tires.
Wow.
So we had to decide what we're going to do with that. And between the gardening and the art of tires, we thought Community Tire Salsa Garden, because we're basically in a Latino area in South Phoenix. So that's what we did. We came up with a plan, and here we are.
I want to show this cabbage because it looks like something out of when the dinosaurs
Well, come on over here.
You also have those ingredients we need for salsa. You've got the cilantro, you've got tomato. What else do you have?
Oh, peppers, carrots, white carrots, oh my goodness,
Green
spinach,
onion.
onions, kale, Swiss chard, just like you have in your hand.
Tell me about the foundation that you collaborate with.
Right, we deal with Joshua's Feeding Tree, and they are down in Willetta and Central. And what we do, we harvest and about every other Wednesday, and we take things down. Their clients are homeless on the street, and also people who need food boxes.
Because we are in a food desert where we're located.
We are in a food desert. That's the reason we decided to bring the garden to fruition, because there wasn't any type of grocery store 3 to 5 miles at that time.
People can come in?
They can come in for free, pick items that they need for their own use. Everything's free. And they can also rent a bed if they want it for $5 a piece. Because we're going into July, they can come and grow whatever they choose to, or just come and relax and garden.
I know you wanted to show us the celery. We have to talk about these big fans I'm holding. Because first of all, what is this?
That is Swiss chard. We have huge Swiss chard that really almost looks prehistoric, doesn't it?
Yeah!
Yes.
It does. Okay, so this, I've been fanning Victor because he deserves to be fanned out here today. And we can maybe feed him some grapes. Don't you have a tomato?
Oh, I do have some tomato. We have a little cherry tomato. We'll just pop that over to him real quick.
And then the celery.
One little tomato for you. There you go.
Go ahead, Vic. Take the prized tomato. Give it a pop and tell us how it tastes. We want to know. Is it a yes?
Fresh.
Fresh. It is fresh right here at the Community Tire Garden. The Fleischmans at it again. They care so much about our community. They're friends of ours here at GMAS, and they're feeding the community right here at their Durango location. Back to you guys. I'm taking these leaves with me. They make great fans.
Jamie, you are in your element out there. You cracked me up. Great job.
Oh, thanks, Scotty. Bye.